Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to download and run the Saily eSIM app on your Oppo smartphone. This guide is super simple and perfect for beginners. Before we get started, a quick reminder. There's a special link in the description that gives you 15% off all Saily plans. Make sure to use it if you're planning to get your eSIM today. Alright, let's jump in. First, you need to check if your Oppo device supports eSIM. To do that, head over to Saily's official device compatibility page. I've included the link below. If your device appears on that list, you're good to proceed. Next, if you haven't installed the Saily app yet, go ahead and download it from the Google Play Store. Just search for Saily eSIM, tap Install, and once the download is complete, open the app. Now inside the app, tap Install eSIM. It will ask you to confirm, so tap Install eSIM again. You'll see a prompt requesting permission to use your phone's eSIM. Go ahead and allow it. That's completely normal and required for the setup. Then tap Continue to start the installation. It may take a minute or two, so don't worry if it doesn't finish instantly. Once the installation is complete, you should see your new eSIM listed in your Oppo settings under the SIM Manager. That means your Saily eSIM is officially installed and ready to use. Before you travel or start using data abroad, just double-check in the Saily app that your eSIM is activated, and you're all set. And that's it. Your Saily eSIM is now up and running on your Oppo device. Super simple and quick. If this walkthrough helped you, don't forget to use the link in the description for 15% off all Saily plans. It's an easy way to save while staying connected anywhere in the world.